What's up, YouTubers? Today we're going to talk about the Spyderco PM2 in aluminum. Yes, this is a BladeHQ exclusive where they made the scales slash body frame out of aluminum to lighten it up, give it rigidity, and also some of this texturing that they provided is actually fantastic in the hand. We'll talk about that in just a little bit. This knife weighs 3.5, 3.6 ounces. I'm going to call it 3.6. It's right in between on mine. Price is for $140, and it comes in CTS BD1N steel, which is great, tough, and very stainless. I actually have kitchen knives made of BD1N steel. So for me, I was looking at this as, hey, this is almost like a Salt Series PM2, because you have aluminum non-corroding, CTS BD1N. It's not like LC 200N, but it is very stain resistant. And you know, there's no actual liners. There's just basically the compression lock hold there attached straight to the frame here. So let's jump into this. In terms of some comparisons, I'm going to compare it only to other PM2s that everybody knows. So the Crew Carta one weighs 3.9 ounces, so it's a full 0.4 ounces heavier than this one. That's in Crewware steel, and that one I think priced for, gosh, I want to say it's like $180. And then there's the standard G10 one. The one I have here is actually the DLT Trading exclusive, the S90V steel, and I do wish that S90V is very stainless. I wish they had actually just made that without it being coated, but I guess it goes with that, you know, the OD green and army look. So and that particular one weighs in at 3.8 ounces. So you're definitely, with this model, you're definitely cutting out a lot of that the weight. Well, I mean, I guess 10% of the weight at least, maybe a smidge more. So that's one of the great things. Actually, let's just talk about some of the good and the bad of this knife. The weight relief is fantastic. The texturing in the hands is really good for grip with gloves or anything. This isn't going anywhere. In fact, you can't go anywhere with this. It is actually bi-directional texturing. Looks very beautiful too. It comes in several different colors, and I know a new batch is just coming out, I think actually today. So that's great on you know, the good side. Everything else is good PM2 quality. Like I said, the grind as always seems to be like a little bit 1 degree different on the edge bevel, but I've come to expect that and don't have a problem with it really. I end up profiling these once I basically sharpen them up anyway. So the action's fantastic on this one, no problems there. Let's just jump right into the bad. So the bad, I will go ahead and intercut in here, and in fact I'm just, listen carefully, because this texturing right here it's the one bad point about this, but it is potentially so bad. Like I said, I'll go ahead and intercut in me putting it in my pocket. And it just absolutely shreds the pocket, and you can hear it with a zip. And then actually I'll go ahead and demonstrate it right here. It's normal G10 texturing is pretty severe on the Spydercos, but I can rub my fingernail and maybe just pop a little bit off, but nothing noticeable. But this thing, I guess this actually qualifies this as a multi-tool, and if you're looking for that, it would be a plus. But for me, this is kind of a negative, just because the texturing is so intense there. It literally is exactly like a nail file. And you can just look at all that. So that's one of the big cons on this, and that's really just the cautionary tale I wanted to say about this. The price is really good for PM2. Like I said, BD1N is really good steel. For the price, easy to sharpen up, very stainless. I like it for actually food. Like I said, I have kitchen knives with it. So that, along with the aluminum, really, and you have your stainless steel hardware, this thing's not going to rust so well. So it's a really good one. You can probably, I don't know, take fishing or get it really wet. But do be cautious of that texturing on there. And a very quick review. Like I said, I don't need to do a tip to tail. It's a PM2. It's very well known. But did want to get this out there. Hope you did find it of use. If so, hit like and subscribe, and have a great day. Take care now.